algae bloom in Lake Okeechobee, blah, 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 and all that stuff. We get 100% of our water from Grassy Waters because they shut the connections from the west into Grassy Waters, and all of our water supply for the city comes from what we collect from rainwater in Grassy Waters. So it's a pretty significant and very important place because for those of us in the energy industry who watch people fight wars over energy, that's the business I was in. Our kids and grandkids will probably fight wars over water.
Wow.
Because think about how water supplies are such a big deal. Now, okay, so this is the city's place. As I mentioned, there used to be a nonprofit. I was on the lowest and appointed me to the Water Catchment Area Advisory Committee when I moved down here. And that was a great group. People like John Marshall, Lake John Marshall were on it. Myron Newman, if some of you know Myron, who lives up in Ibis, was probably one of the experts on water. Actually, he used to be with the National Academy of Sciences. So if you believe in science, he's one of those guys. And actually, Gail Caniglio used to sit next to me at the machines all the time. And that was a really good group. And one of the things we're not happy with the nonprofit that existed. Because, like I said, they kind of existed to, as I say, pay themselves salaries, which is not what a nonprofit is supposed to do. And a few of us, when Jerry became mayor, we said, hey, we can try to start a new nonprofit. And I'm an engineer, so it was a really dumb idea with the economy on its ass like that to try to start a nonprofit, but we did it anyway. And the good news was Pat Painter I was sort of the citizen person working on it, and Pat Painter from the city, which some of you may know, was very involved, but we're not the city, we're a private organization, a 501c3. And we were about to give up and actually become part of what at the time was the Marshall Foundation. And we were actually, I think I told you the story, we were sitting in City Hall at a meeting. I was sitting there with actually John Marshall's daughter, who also passed away. She was there, and actually Penny Redford was in the room, and myself, and I was waiting for Pat. And he comes to the door, and he's doing one of these to me. And I said, what the shit is going on? I'm supposed to have this work on a term sheet with these guys. And because you're not going to believe this, there's this really nice lady who was on a canoe trip with her kids at Grassy Waters, and she loved the place. And I told her how we're trying to start this nonprofit, and she said her law firm, Ms. Nason Yeager, was looking for things to do to help, to do some, pro bono things. And her name is Amanda Schlechter, you may know Amanda.
Sure.
And Amanda became the second founding partner to try to do this crazy ass idea of starting a nonprofit for Grassy Waters. And then the attorneys here, you need 3 people to have a corporation. You can't do it for 2. And I said, well, let me call my brothers and sisters in Florida Power and Light, because I was an executive with the utility in Washington. And Chuck Moyo put me in touch with one of his buddies. And next thing you knew, Florida Power and Light stepped up and became the third leg on the stool.
Wow.
So that's how we ended up. We're sort of the initial founding partners of the group. And that was 4 years ago, believe it or not. It was actually in our 5th year. For the commissioners present, we have submitted a revision to our agreement with the city, which needs to be approved hopefully our 5 years run out. No, it shouldn't be a problem. Coolhan's working with Scott and Nancy Church and Scott. And we're just arguing over this. It's a pretty good fine points. But what we do is we've been slowly but surely raising money to do different things, and I like to describe it as we went from a startup to a going concern now, and we raise about right now we're raising about $30,000-$40,000 a year, and we put the money into things like sponsoring the summer camp program for inner city kids in West Palm Beach.
got some gator crossing here.
We're so lucky to have this in our backyard. It is really a treasure, and it is gorgeous out here today.
Thank you for setting all of this up with Steven too.
Thank you guys for being interested. It's great.